my channel. So today we are gonna do a garden bed. So this is the garden bed we made last spring. We did a 8x4 beds, but today I'm gonna show you how to do an 8x8 bed, garden bed like this. I don't do it too high because having it closer to the ground helps with the watering, the irrigation. It doesn't dry out really quickly, so it helps a lot better. I feel like that, and I am short person, so this is good for me. I like to garden while I'm squatting so this height is perfect. Anyways, these are our 8x4 gardens, and we will show you how to do the 8x8, and it's about the same thing. The difference is like one side you just cut it into half. Okay, I'm gonna show you a close-up with what we're gonna do for the planter boxes. We are using this drill bit to drill a hole on here, so we can countersink this screw in, so it goes a little bit down there, and then we will be pre-drilling the hole before we put the screw in. So we put the tape in to see how long we're gonna have to drill into the wood, so it's easy for us to do it. In order to make this garden bed, what we got is this is a landscape. They call it landscape timbers from Home Depot, and we are gonna be using lag screws. This is zinc lag screws, like a 1/4 inch and 4 inches in height, and then just a flat washers for the lag screws. And then we have our drill bit that's taped off to about the same length of the screw, so it will be easy to know how deep we drill in to pre-drill it. And then this is the drill bit for the countersink. We are using a 13 and by 16 countersink drill bit because we need it wide enough for the flat washers to get in. So this is my husband, Ben. He will be doing most of the drilling. So we pre-drill it first. It's gonna look like this. So after pre-drilling, we're gonna do the countersink.
Maybe 3/4 inch.
About 3/4 inch down.
Not possible.
Now we are gonna put the screw in. There you go, the first. And since we basically screwed this top part to the bottom, and this one is not, it's not screwed yet, so we're gonna put another screw in here. And we normally start with all the joints first, and then we will be putting screws in between the corners also when this is done. Hi, so now I'm gonna try to do it myself. Yeah, put more weight into it. And that's why the tape is great. And that's about it. And it's that easy. Oh, it didn't go all the way in. And there you go. So, as you can see, this was the corner that we started on, and there are 3 screws now because since we are Lincoln logging the timbers, this screw here is connecting this top timber to the bottom timber that goes the other way, and so this screw here is connected to the timber that goes this way, so they're both connected now. And since this one wasn't connected in, so we put another screw in here so we could connect in here, so they're all connected. And since this is an 8-foot timber, and this timber is actually a cheap timber, and they warp when they dry. Right now it's a bit wet, it's not that dry, so when they dry they warp. So I will be putting more screws, like about 2 more screws in the middle to help with the warping.